Hello everyone, welcome to JAR channel. Today we are going to share with you what to cook for tomorrow. Tired of eating instant noodle every now and then? Why not try this Japanese spicy ramen? We are going to share with you two types of making. First, let's try the vegetarian recipe Japanese ramen with leek, bean sprouts and cabbage. Refreshing after eating, which suits if you want to have something light. And the other one is surely for coriander lover. Coriander, pork and soft-boiled egg spicy ramen. Hope you like it too. And we have used the brand Bao's newly launched Japanese spicy ramen this time. Easy to buy from some large wet market and grocery. After opening the package, there will be the ramen, a spicy sauce and a pack of seasoning. Start boil a pot of water and cook the ramen for around 2 minutes. JAR tips. Depending on how soft or hard you want the ramen to be, adjust the boiling time. But remember, place the cooked ramen in cold water to cool down, and then drain it for later use. Then clean and wash the cabbage, slice after folding it. That will be easier for you. After slicing, put the cabbage aside. Then we can process the leek. Separate the leek into 3 sections, then slice it afterwards. And we will be using the white part of the leek this time, as it tastes sweeter and has a better taste. Processing the bean sprouts, cabbage and leek, prepare and heat the pan and add some oil. Then fry the cabbage. Seasoning with salt and sugar. After slightly frying, add the bean sprouts as well. Then the leek and sesame oil. Fry until 80% and set it aside after frying. Then boil around 350 ml of water. Add the spicy sauce and seasoning pack together. Are now 2 ways to carry out the ramen. The first way would be to place the ramen in the bowl and add the soup to it. You can slightly adjust the ramen to look better. Then place the cooked cabbage, bean sprout and leek. Sprinkle some sesame. Then you're ready to go for the first style of Japanese spicy ramen with leek, bean sprout and cabbage. If you are a coriander lover, be sure not to miss out on our next part, coriander with Japanese spicy ramen. Coriander can be considered a big hit recently, and is also added to many foods, such as potato chips, biscuits and so on. Let's try to cook coriander with Japanese spicy ramen. First, wash and clean the coriander. Removing most of the stem, leave around 2 cm, and then cut at around 3 cm size. Stem can boil with the soup together to make the flavor even stronger. And then cut around at 5 cm each. Put them separately with leaf and stem. Prepare a heated pan, add some oil and ginger. After aromatic, then add the pork into the pan as well. Add a teaspoon of cooking wine and soy sauce and sugar. and some pepper. Then we can put it aside once ready. The second method would be to boil the soup base and add the ramen to boil for another 1 to 2 minutes. It really depends on your preference on the hardness of the ramen. Put the ramen into the bowl. Decorate with pork. Add Japanese soft eggs. Check out our previous video for the Japanese soft eggs. And finally, with coriander and spicy soup. Ordinary ramen with some creative can turn into a tasty dish. If you also like these two different styles of Japanese ramen, please like, share, and subscribe our channel. Don't forget to click the bell next to it and you'll receive our next video at once. Thank you again for watching this video. We'll share with you next time what to cook for tomorrow. See you again and have a nice day.